See, because of that. Can you screw that in up there? Creeps is playing with the birdie. Angel's like, what are you doing in my cage? Angel's bitching her out. Oh, that was close. She's going for the back end now.
Oh.
That made her mad.
She's like, how dare you bite me? I'm just trying to play.
She tried sniffing the bird food and went up her nose. You tell her. Crips. Hello, babies. Put more effort into it. Like a mask. Oh.
Put some effort into it.
Yeah. She sounds so cute. She says, fine, I'll scatter your food around.
Hey, don't eat it. She's eating it.
You eat anything, girl.
Hey. Hey, quit eating it.
It's all over her face.
Hey. Quit eating it. I said quit eating the food. She's from the backside. That's what a dog looks like when she's eating bird feed. Ain't gonna talk no crap out here, huh?
Okay. Can I record you or no?
I don't care.
He gotta show off his tongue. She's gonna bite. Oh, she got you. Told you she bites. Roger versus Angel. Who's gonna win? Angel. Shit, it's running out of time. Say bye.